All right. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive by data from BTL agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I have friends, ma'am.
Okay, so remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
100% healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Second time, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Maybe because myself will fit in Malaysia, ma'am.
All right. So I would like to know some few more details from you first. What is your name?
My name is Melrose Lamis, ma'am.
Do you have your passport ready?
My passport is in my agency already, ma'am.
How old are you?
28 years old.
Are you single or married?
Married, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have children?
Yes, I have
How
two.
many children? Two. How old are those children?
My firstborn is 13 and secondborn is 11 years old.
Okay. When is your birthday?
August 30, 1997.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11 and my weight is 53.
53 or 63?
53.
53. What is your religion?
Catholic.
What about your educational background?
ALS graduated, ma'am.
House graduate. Okay. So you mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad, and you know that you were going to sign a 2 years contract, right? So who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will
Again.
going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My parents, ma'am.
Okay. How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
They are both senior citizen.
Okay. How old?
68 and 62.
Okay, what about your husband? How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
Is that need, ma'am? I
Yes,
already
I
separated.
need your husband occupation.
Even separated, ma'am?
So you are separated with your husband.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so you just let me know if you are separated because I asked you just a while ago if you are single or married, okay?
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
Okay, but it's okay, no problem. I would like to to know about all your details also, yeah? So, how
Yes.
many brother and sister do you have?
I have three brothers and two sister.
What is your rank in your family?
Five.
You are the fifth. So, you are separated but with your husband. So, do you have any boyfriend right now or you are a single mother?
Boyfriend, ma'am.
You got a boyfriend. Okay, so is your boyfriend and you are living together?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you mentioned that this is your first time working abroad. Which country do you have your first working experience?
My first country, ma'am, is Qatar.
Okay, how many years you work there?
Sorry to say, but I didn't finish my contract.
Okay, so how
Just
many years or how many months you work there?
7 months only, ma'am.
What year did you started and month and what year did you end it?
2021 and till 2022.
What month in 2021?
Um, August.
August to April.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what happened? Why you didn't finish your contract?
Physical abuse, ma'am.
Physical abuse. So, what is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in Qatar?
All around, ma'am, except cooking.
All right, you do the house chores, laundry, ironing, and you take care of some children.
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
Only 3 years old.
One only, one child.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many family members inside the house?
Four.
Four. So who beat you? Why there is a physical abuse in your employer?
There is no reason, ma'am, but the problem is the employer. I don't know why.
So what kind of physical abuse they did to you?
Slapped me twice, ma'am.
Slap you twice. So you decided to go back home in the Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after Qatar, do you have any working experience?
Local, ma'am.
In okay, local. In which part of the Philippines?
Manila.
What is your job there?
Canteen staff, and but now, ma'am, I working household.
Okay, so how many years you worked as a canteen staff in Manila, and what year did you started and finished?
From 2023 till 2024.
So you worked for 1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after that, you are working recently to your employer right now, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what month did you started there and year?
Just started November, ma'am. November.
So you were there for 1 month only. So what
Yes.
is your job responsibility there?
Just cleaning the house, ma'am.
Cleaning the house only. Laundry, ironing, cooking?
No, ma'am. Just
So
clean.
just clean only. Okay, so working abroad is not that so easy, Ate. You know that, right? Because you
Yes,
already got
ma'am.
experience in Qatar. But I would like to
Yes.
let you know that Middle East and Malaysia is quite different.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? But you need to get ready yourself, fasten your seatbelt because you might experience some things that you didn't experience also in Qatar. Yeah?
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
need to expect those unexpected things also at the same time. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I can learn cooking, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, as I have mentioned, this is a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time. It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, it's okay, fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yeah.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, yeah? You need to
Yes.
compensate your employer, yeah? Remind
Yes.
yourself why you come to work here. In Philippines, you can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Melrose, right? It was
Yes, ma'am.
my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Good